Alright, let's make it spooky, but a happy kind of spooky. Not a PEZ pop looking like they're dead. They all look like they're dead. And they're in their little coffins. Ugh, I don't like those. Don't like those at all. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel with some happy dead dispensers. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, I don't have my pointer, so we are going to use this stem. Please look at the eye right there. See the pupils? See over here? Yep. See the difference? Yep. Orange stem, glow-in-the-dark stem. And then over here, the ghost without pupils on the orange stem. So 3 different variations of the same happy dead dispenser. Not all dead and... yeah. Regardless. That is what they are talking about when they're talking about the pupils. It's very hard to see and very hard to find. They were only released in a certain part of the country. I'm not sure if they were different runs. But as I look here at the stems, I'm not in my normal area where I'm filming, so I'm trying to learn new stuff. Well, here, they're hungry 7.9. Just trust me on that one. But we do know this. They are happy ghosts. Look how happy they are. So until next time...